Why does my HVAC system squeal when it starts? Your HVAC system squeals when it starts because a belt or motor bearing inside the unit is worn, loose, or lacking lubrication, causing friction that creates a high-pitched noise. Think of your HVAC system like a bicycle chain. When the chain is old, dry, or stretched out, it makes a squeaky sound every time you pedal. Your HVAC system has similar moving parts, like a blower motor and sometimes a belt that spins fast to push air through your home. When these parts get old, dirty, or dry, they rub against each other instead of moving smoothly. This creates that squealing sound you hear, especially right when the system turns on because that is when the motor works hardest to get going. Something most people do not know is that a small amount of dust buildup on the motor bearings can also cause squealing, not just mechanical wear. Regularly changing your air filter every 1 to 3 months can actually reduce strain on the motor and prevent this problem from starting in the first place. One common mistake homeowners make is ignoring the squeal because it stops after a few seconds, thinking it fixed itself. In reality, that squeal is often a warning sign that a part is close to failing completely, so it is smart to have it checked before it turns into a bigger repair. Another misconception is that all squealing means the whole system needs to be replaced, when most of the time it is just a simple fix like replacing a belt or adding lubrication, which usually costs way less than people expect. A lot of people also do not realize that this noise can point to loose mounting brackets vibrating against the frame, so tightening a few screws might solve it entirely. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.